Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone! If you're worried about digestive problems, this video is for you. Today we're going to talk about Yakult and how it can help you have a healthy gut. Yakult is a probiotic drink, which means it contains live bacteria that are good for your gut, like Lactobacillus casei Shirota. Drinking Yakult helps you improve your digestion, strengthen your immune system, and prevent stomach infections. Are you wondering how it works? When you drink Yakult, you introduce good bacteria into your digestive system. These bacteria compete with the bad bacteria and help you maintain a balanced gut. This is especially helpful if you have problems like irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea, or constipation. So when and how should you drink Yakult? It's best to start with 1 bottle a day. It's very easy to include it in your daily routine. You can drink it in the morning with breakfast or as a healthy snack anytime during the day. After a few weeks, you can adjust the amount depending on how you feel. Although Yakult is generally safe, some people may notice mild side effects like gas or bloating. If you have a weak immune system or any allergies, it is important to talk to your doctor before you start drinking it. In short, Yakult is a great option for taking care of your gut health. Remember that the most important thing is to be consistent. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.